Welcome back, guys. Before we get into videos, thank you for your 2000 subscribers, because it took me 1.5 years to get 1000 subscribers, but it only took me 4 months to get from 1000 to 2000, guys. So thank you for your support, guys. So in this video I'm going to talk about the 10 affiliate network for Pinterest in 2020. Those 10 affiliate network is free to join, work worldwide. Anyone can do it. So you can join those affiliate network, and you can use the Pinterest as a traffic source to promote those products from Pinterest, and you can earn affiliate commissions as a passive income. Again, it requires your work every single day, that you can spend 1 hour to create a pin and upload it on Pinterest, but those pins generate income, passive income, every single day. So I'm going to talk about those 10 affiliate network. First 3 are network that you can promote a physical product. Next 7 are the network that you can promote a digital product. So watch the video until the end for the 3 different methods that you can use a Pinterest to promote an affiliate products. So first is Amazon. I know I already talked about it, and you can see I just use a Pinterest with a completely new account. I create a couple of pins. Those pins are generating clicks. That means people have clicked the link, go to the Amazon. They didn't buy anything, but still they are working. So it will never going to happen with the first click, guys. So it will take a couple of hundred clicks, and then people gonna buy it and I'm going to earn a commission from it. Now see what you have to do. Amazon is available worldwide. So if Amazon is not available in a specific, what you can do, you can go to amazon.com and join with associate account with the .com address, then you can promote it. They ask a website, but still you can get qualified for the affiliate program. Once you did that, you have to remember that within 90 days you need to generate at least 3 qualified sales. Once you did that your account won't be terminated, that you can promote the affiliate product anytime you want. Also, you have to remember that don't use the logos and name on your product when you promote it. This happened to me. I used their logos and name. My account is terminated without any notification. So you have to remember that don't use their logos, plus don't generate 3 qualified sales within 90 days, guys. These are the requirements to earn more money on affiliate network using Amazon. But you have to remember this: those commissions are lower than the digital products. I will explain you in a minute, guys. The second one is again eBay partner network. It's a one address called ebay.com and or eBay partner network, and join with them. I earned a couple hundred in this network in before, using one of my website and one of my Pinterest account. The website is either dismantled or I stopped uploading. I just I don't renew my domain, so it won't expire my website. And on my Pinterest, I just delete those pins I uploaded. The majority of those sales coming from selling my own items. See, when I started selling my vintage toys, I used upload those images onto Pinterest to generate. Those pins generate traffic to my page, and I earn commission. I tend to sold those vintage toys over $100. That's why I earn big commission. Now those toys are sold out, so I don't have any pin to promote, so that's why I deleted those pins. That's but still a couple of them are there. That's why you can see £2.63 as a commission from this eBay network. But eBay again similar to Amazon, that you can promote, and you can see you can earn between 1 to 4% commission. Their program is straightforward. Just find the product I promoted. Whenever the people buy it from the sellers, that you can earn commission. And you need to understand, it's not like ebay.uk or .com or whatever this. So it's one network that you can promote it, and people worldwide for any part of the world, they can buy this product, and you can still get that commission from it. The third one is called Aliexpress. If you are living in Asian countries, Aliexpress is one of the best and big e-commerce site like Amazon, and you can still join and promote those products that you can earn. You can see in the last month alone, they paid over $100,000 per month for those affiliates, guys, and most of them earn between more than 20,000 per month using Aliexpress affiliate program. Now you need to understand, it's like Amazon. They don't require website. You can straight away sign into the account, but it's up to you guys that you promote the product, and you can just promote any product that you want target niche specific product, and you can still earn this commission every single month from this network. Again, this is one source I'm talking about. You can apply this method to different traffic source. I'm using Pinterest as a traffic source, that's why I recommended this program. You can use these programs to promote using different traffic source, right? So these are the three affiliate network, Amazon and eBay and AliExpress, are to promote a physical product. One thing you need to understand is when you come to digital product, is a specific and targeted for specific people. When you're promoting a web hosting, and you're going to target for specific people for that. But when you come to digital physical product, you can promote a larger choice is for lots of people, not for one people or one people. So if you take 100 people, 20 people are going to like a digital product, physical products. They like choice, so they buy it from it. So you can earn more commission by selling more items or promoting to larger people. So this is how the difference between physical and digital product. In order to make a larger commission, you need to make a more sales on physical product section. But if you want to make a larger commission, you need to make a couple of sales, but you can make a larger commission from digital section. That is the thing, difference between two things. Now, so if you understand the three different affiliate network for physical product, now we can go look at the 7 different affiliate network for digital product. The first thing is come to Bluehost. The reason I say Bluehost, when you come to hosting, Bluehost is one of the best and cheapest way to promote, and anyone can join, and is more cheaper than GoDaddy and other hosting platforms. Again, each sign up gonna pay you $65 for that. There's a big commission, guys, and that's why I'm saying you can replace Bluehost with any hosting program that you have, but one of the best hosting affiliate network is Bluehost. So the number 4th number 4th digital product is Bluehost, and then you have a 5th one is called Flexoffers. You can see largest product category. You can see it from entertainment, family, financial, legal, insurance, to mobile, to media, to electronics, that you can join with Flexoffers and you can promote all this product. One thing you need to consider here is if you are promoting insurance or financial service or business related product, you can make larger commission, guys. When you come to financial service, if you promote any credit card offers, you're gonna get paid a big commission from credit card companies or insurance companies. So these offers are very much high commission paid offers, but on the other hand, you need to promote it heavily in order to get paid for that. Then if you have a ShareASale, it's largest networks joined in the ShareASale to promote their product. You can see from home and garden, fashions to green merchants to business, different products are available. So when you join with the ShareASale, you can promote a different kind of product from them. Then we have a ClickBank. ClickBank is worldwide. It's a global retailer, but some people recommend this ClickBank is not working in your country. If not, you can use an alternatives. If you guys want an alternative video for ClickBank, let me know in the comment section. I'll make it for you guys. Again, ClickBank is where you can join and promote the different products. You can now Pinterest allowing direct link with ClickBank. I tested it myself. It's working because I started to promote a couple of products. I just linked the direct link with the ClickBank offers. They didn't ban anything. They didn't stop my pin. So it's working. You don't need a landing page or a website. If you can't build, or if you don't know how to build a landing page or website, you can use a direct linking method where you can get the link from ClickBank and put it on Pinterest pin, and it's working fine, guys, with nowadays. So you don't have to worry about getting banned or the pin it won't be uploaded. It's working, so you can direct link is working with them at the moment. Then we have a CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate been from 22 years now, from 1998. Again, you can promote larger variety of product from him. And one thing you need to understand, if you want to promote a GoDaddy offers or GoDaddy web hosting, they are partnered with CJ Affiliate, so you need to go sign in with CJ Affiliate. They will give a couple of offers that are already approved for you. You can promote it and then commission. But if you want to promote a certain offers like a GoDaddy, you need to get approved from GoDaddy, so you need to ask permission for that. Again, they will check your traffic method and website, if you have how many visitors you are getting, something like that. Because I tried to apply for 3 times, I get rejected from GoDaddy 3 times from CG affiliate. But if that happen, still you can promote the offers that already approved for you guys. Then we have a Convertkit. Convertkit is an email marketing tools, which is one of the easiest and the best email marketing tools ever. And this is the guy called Pat Plain is a founder of that, and you can see, I think he's a founder. I don't know, but he have a big YouTube channel, so you can go and check it out. And again, this is one of the best and easiest email marketing tools that you can join to do email marketing. Again, if you promote these offers, what you can do, you can get a 30% commission from there. For example, you can see this is $8 per month for one account. So they tend to pay in a yearly account, so they're around 100. Say for example $100, you can earn $30 as a commission for one sign up. If they go big, the big account, and you can earn big commission, guys. So it's up to them, up to the customer, that you can earn 30% commission every person you sign up for the Convertkit through your affiliate link. And the final thing we have is Maxbounty. Maxbounty is famous for promoting its CPA offers, cost per action, that including clicking your offers or email sign up for the offers. Maxbounty doesn't require a website, but when you sign up, you need to interview with your affiliate manager. So if that interview is not go through, you don't get into sign into your account. If it's successful, that you can sign into your account. After you sign into your account, you can promote the CPS offer directly through Pinterest, but again, those links are not allowed for direct linking on Pinterest. You need a landing or website in order to promote a Maxbounty offer. Maxbounty, if not allowed in your country, or you can't get signed into that, you can use an alternative. It's called CPA lead for the Maxbounty. There you can promote a CPA offers from there. Now you understand the 3 different affiliate network to promote a physical product and 7 different affiliate network to promote a digital product. Now how you can promote it and you can earn money? There's a 3 different way. First, what you have to do is create attractive pin look like this. You can see these pins are getting organic views every single day. There's 67, 79 views. You can see 38. There's a pin called, you can see 507 pins. You can see these are pins getting organic traffic. So if I click open one of the things, you can see why is getting organic traffic. You can see there's a title that people are searching for it, and there's a description, and there's a hashtag. These are the important thing to get a organic traffic to your pin, right? After you've done that, you can redirect that by direct linking to your affiliate offers for any of the network that you have here, and the people can go there to offers. If they like the offers, they can buy it and you can earn the commission. This is the one way, direct linking. The second way, that you build a landing page. When you build a landing page, when you promote an offer, and people can just go there and check it. That's just basic information about the product. Then you can get email sign up, and you can say, okay, if you sign up for, if you put your email address there, you can win a free ebook. So I can explain how this works. So for example, you want to promote a Bluehost affiliate program, right? So you build a basic landing page using bookmark.com, completely free, and you can go check on my older video on that. You can build a free landing page and say, this is the best how we can say, this is the best hosting program ever. And you can put the Bluehost title, and you can put the Bluehost button, click and get your or sign up for the cheap hosting, something like that, right? On the bottom, you can say a email sign up form, and you can say, if you want, you can win a free ebook on how to build a WordPress website. Then they put the email address, and you get the email address, and it will redirect to the Bluehost. They buy the hosting. You can earn commission. Now you have the email address for the viewers or buyers, so doesn't matter, but you have the email address. Now what you can do, go to the PLR website and download a free ebook. There's a giveaway ebook there in section. Then you can download ebook, then you can share with them for free. Don't have to worry about that. Then what you can do, you can use the email address, use the Convertkit to target those people with hosting or domain related softwares and program, and you can earn a little bit more commission. This is the second way, landing page. The third is redirect to your website. So if you see, this is my pin, and if I click this, it will take to my website where I talk about this whatever the pin that you are promoting. Now what the viewers do is they tend to watch your videos, they tend to watch your article, they read your article, they then go to your website and read other articles, and they can just go and buy a different product you are promoting rather than the one you bring the traffic. So these are the three ways that you can promote a pin. First, you can direct linking, where you can link affiliate offers direct to your web offers. Second, that you can use a landing page where you can drive traffic from your pin to your landing page, collect your email address and promote their offers. Third, that you can link your pin to your website where you can make a review of the product, the affiliate offer that you want to promote, and you can promote from there. Also, you can keep the views on your website and you can promote other affiliate offers from that. This is the three different ways that you can promote your affiliate offers using Pinterest. I hope guys you understand the 10 affiliate program and the three different ways that you can promote it using Pinterest. And if you guys want me to make videos in different section, leave me a comments. And if you want to win a 10 pound PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video guys. Thanks guys for watching. See you next video.